Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram Reels to your Squarespace site. This is a fantastic way to showcase your dynamic video content directly on your website, keeping visitors engaged with your social media presence without them having to leave your page. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by heading over to Instagram. Open your browser and type in instagram.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you're using the account that contains the reels you want to feature on your site. Now that you're logged in, it's time to locate the specific reel you want to add. Browse through your profile or feed until you find the reel that perfectly represents what you want to showcase. This might take a moment if you have lots of content, so take your time to choose the right one that aligns with your website's message. Once you've found your reel, click on it to open it in full view. You'll notice 3 dots appear, usually positioned in the bottom right corner of the reel. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, select Embed. This is the key feature that allows you to take your Instagram content and place it on external websites. After clicking Embed, Instagram will generate the embed code for your reel. You'll see a code snippet appear on your screen. Click on Copy Embed Code to store this code in your clipboard. This code is what Squarespace will use to display your reel properly on your site. Now it's time to switch over to your Squarespace site. Navigate to your Squarespace dashboard and find the page where you want the reel to appear. Click the Edit button to enter the page editor. This is where you'll have full control over adding and arranging content blocks. Select the section on your page where you want the Instagram reel to live. Once you've chosen your spot, click Add Block. Squarespace will present you with various block types to choose from. Scroll through the options and click on Embed. This block type is specifically designed to handle external content like social media posts and videos. You'll see a new embed block appear in your selected section. Click the pencil icon on this embed block to open its settings. This is where you'll configure how the content displays in the settings menu. Click Code Snippet, then click Embed Data. This opens up a text field where you can paste your Instagram code. Paste the embed code you copied from Instagram into this field. Make sure the entire code is pasted correctly without any missing characters. Once you've pasted it, click Save to confirm your changes. Give Squarespace a moment to process and preview your reel within the block. Finally, click Exit to leave the editor and return to your normal site view. Your Instagram reel is now embedded and live on your Squarespace site, ready for visitors to watch and interact with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.